Hello and welcome to the Hard Reset YouTube channel. In this video you are going to learn how to enable Flash in your Chrome browser. So for the first step, all you have to do is just open your Google Chrome browser. Great. Now go to the top right corner and click on these three dots. Now choose Settings. Great. From the panel on the left, choose Privacy and Security. Now go to Site Settings and scroll all the way down. Go to Flash. By switching this switch, you are going to enable the Flash in your Chrome browser. Excellent. Now you know how to enable Flash in your Chrome browser. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe and have a great day.